Hello viewers, this is an used laptop that I have bought for one of my customers. It is an HP Elitebook 840 G5 model laptop, and let's just see what is the performance of this laptop that has been purchased. I have done some maintenance also on it, some tweaking up, and let's see now what is the performance of the laptop when we switch it on. So we are going to switch it on by lifting the lid. Okay, so we generally lift the lid up and let's just put on the laptop to see what is the performance. So switching it on. So you can see that it is quick to boot and quickly loads up Windows. Everything looks good on the laptop. Everything has been, or rather all the necessary programs has been installed and has been grouped into folders, which is MS Office and Google Apps. I have got MS Office 2024 installed, and we have a couple of Google Apps, which is Documents, Drive, Sheets, Slides, etc. Overall, this is a very good laptop to have. The Elitebook is meant for professional use, which gives no compromise on performance. So if any of you would like to have a quality used laptop for your use, you can always get in touch with me. Now I'm opening up Microsoft Word and see how quick it is. It's 2024. It's quick. It's lightning speed. This is how a healthy laptop should be. Whether it's old or new, it should load programs pretty quickly without keeping the user waiting very long. So I guess that's about used laptop for my customers. So till we meet again with another video, it is adios from my end.